Right now, in 2026, millions of Americans are falling into the greatest financial trap in automotive history. They are being pressured into financing $60,000 fully electric vehicles, believing they will save a fortune on gas. The money you save at the plug is instantly vaporized by catastrophic depreciation, skyrocketing insurance premiums, and out-of-warranty battery failures. But a silent rebellion is happening. Smart buyers are completely skipping the pure electric hype and pivoting to highly refined, ultra-reliable hybrid powertrains. These vehicles give you EV-level fuel savings without the range anxiety or massive depreciation. If you want to keep $10,000 in your bank account over the next few years, you need to buy metal that holds its value. Here are the top 6 hybrid vehicles that completely obliterate electric cars in long-term financial logic. Let's go. Starting off our list at number 6, when people look for a compact crossover, they usually get tricked into buying heavily depreciated electric appliances that ride terribly and have interiors made of cheap plastic. But if you look at this specific Japanese hybrid, you get an absolute masterclass in reliability. Instead of a complex, heavy electric skateboard chassis, this crossover utilizes an incredibly refined 2.0-liter Atkinson-cycle 4-cylinder engine paired with a dual electric motor setup. This brilliant system removes the traditional alternator and starter motor, deleting parts that normally fail. Furthermore, because the electric motors handle the heavy lifting from a dead stop, the gas engine experiences almost zero stress. It seamlessly transitions between electric and gas power, delivering a flawless 40 miles per gallon in the city. The interior materials are phenomenal. The suspension is dialed in for extreme comfort, and the resale value is rock solid. This is the 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. Moving to number 5, truck buyers have been fed a massive lie. Automakers pushed $90,000 electric pickup trucks that claimed to do everything, but the second you hitch a trailer to them or drive them in freezing weather, their range gets cut in half. You do not need a massive electric truck to handle your daily utility. Therefore, smart buyers are flocking to this specific compact hybrid pickup. Underneath the hood, it pairs a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine with an incredibly durable electronic continuously variable transmission. Avoiding complex twin turbos and heavy battery packs makes it thousands of pounds lighter than an electric truck. This results in an honest 42 miles per gallon in city driving, which is absolutely unheard of for a pickup. It has a deeply practical 4.5-foot steel bed, seats 5 people comfortably, and costs roughly 1/3 the price of an electric Rivian or Ford Lightning. It is the ultimate inflation-proof utility vehicle. This is the 2026 Ford Maverick Hybrid. Coming in at number 4. If you want supreme high-end luxury, buying a German electric vehicle is a guaranteed way to burn your money. Luxury EVs are losing up to 40% of their value in the first year alone due to rapid technological obsolescence and terrifying electrical gremlins. But this specific Japanese luxury crossover is the ultimate financial shield. Underneath the premium perforated leather seats, acoustic glass, and whisper-quiet cabin, it utilizes a bulletproof 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain engineered by Toyota. Because it shares its mechanical skeleton with the RAV4, you get all the prestige and comfort of a $60,000 luxury SUV, but your repair bills look exactly like an economy car. If you ever need a water pump or a suspension component, you are buying cheap, highly available Toyota parts, not imported European EV modules. It delivers 39 miles per gallon, rides like a cloud, and holds its resale value better than almost any luxury car. This is the 2026 Lexus NX 350h. We are about to reveal the top 3, but before you buy any used or certified pre-owned hybrid, I need to expose the biggest, most expensive illusion in the modern car market. You find a pristine-looking car on the lot. The salesman smiles, hands you a standard history report, and promises it passed their 160-point inspection. You feel safe, so you sign a 60-month loan.
2 months later, the hybrid inverter fails, the dashboard lights up red, and you are handed an $8,000 repair bill. You stand there, furious, wondering, why didn't the history report tell me? Here is the terrifying truth. Standard history reports like Carfax only track police-reported accidents and basic oil changes. They are completely, legally blind to widespread factory defects, high-voltage battery degradation, and massive government safety complaints. When a previous owner realizes their hybrid battery is dying, they quickly trade it in. The dealer washes it, prints a clean accident report, and sells that ticking time bomb directly to you. You are playing Russian roulette with your life savings. That is exactly why the smartest car buyers in 2026 refuse to step foot on a dealership lot without using their ultimate secret weapon, CarClarity.online. CarClarity completely bypasses the dealership's lies. When you pull out your phone and type in a 17-character VIN and the car's current mileage, CarClarity taps directly into the U.S. government's official NHTSA database. Within exactly 3 seconds, its advanced intelligence engine doesn't just hand you a confusing spreadsheet, it gives you a brutally honest one-to-one risk score. It mathematically compares the exact car you are looking at against the industry average. It breaks down the top failing components, showing you instantly if the electrical system or the engine is a massive red flag. Even better, it generates a custom maintenance forecast. By using the mileage you entered, CarClarity tells you exactly what expensive services are overdue, like a $1,200 timing belt or a hybrid cooling flush. You can literally show this forecast to the salesman and force them to slash thousands of dollars off the asking price. Do not let a car dealer gamble with your money. Scan the QR code on your screen right now or click the link at the absolute top of the description to go to carclarity.online. When you create a free account today, my system automatically loads 3 free intelligence checks into your balance. Getting back to the list at number 3. Family haulers have become incredibly expensive, and massive 3-row electric SUVs are currently failing on dealership lots because families realize that stopping for 45 minutes to charge with 3 screaming kids in the back is an absolute nightmare. Therefore, this specific vehicle has become the most highly sought-after family transporter in the country. It completely abandoned the traditional V6 engine and is now exclusively offered as a hybrid. It pairs a highly efficient 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with a proven hybrid battery system. Because it uses this highly optimized powertrain, this massive, heavy vehicle manages to get an astonishing 36 miles per gallon combined. You can load up 7 passengers and drive over 600 miles on a single tank of gas without looking for a charger. The sliding doors provide unmatched utility, the interior is practically indestructible, and its mechanical reliability is flawless. Dealerships still have wait lists for this specific vehicle because it solves every single problem a family has without the EV headaches. This is the 2026 Toyota Sienna. Number 2 on our list brings us to the absolute pinnacle of commuter logic. There is a massive debate between pure electric cars and standard hybrids, but this specific vehicle represents the perfect middle ground. It is a plug-in hybrid, or PHEV. When you plug it in at night using a standard wall outlet, it gives you 44 miles of pure electric driving. For the vast majority of Americans, that completely covers their daily commute, meaning you burn absolutely zero gas on a daily basis. But unlike a pure EV, when the battery runs out, you do not have to panic. An unkillable 2.0-liter gas engine seamlessly kicks in, instantly transitioning the car into a highly efficient hybrid that gets over 50 miles per gallon. It eliminates range anxiety for road trips while giving you the electric advantage daily. It looks incredibly sleek, handles brilliantly with a low center of gravity, and has one of the lowest costs of ownership of any vehicle on the global
global market. This is the 2026 Toyota Prius Prime.
And finally, we arrive at number 1, the holy grail of the modern automotive market. If you want a vehicle that will completely bypass the EV depreciation crisis and save you $10,000 in fuel and retained value, you must buy this specific compact SUV. This is the undisputed king of the hybrid world. It uses the legendary A25AF XS 2.5-liter engine paired with Toyota's electronic continuously variable transmission. But this is not a fragile, failing CVT push belt like you find in a Nissan or Subaru. Toyota's e-CVT uses planetary gears. There are no physical belts to snap and no traditional gears to grind. It is mathematically and mechanically brilliant, rendering the transmission virtually immune to failure. Because the electric motors provide instantaneous torque, the engine rarely works hard. It delivers 40 miles per gallon consistently, handles off-road trails with its standard electric on-demand all-wheel drive, and holds its value better than almost any vehicle in human history. While EVs lose half their value in 3 years, this barely drops a few thousand. If you see one of these sitting on a lot, buy it immediately. It will absolutely outlast you. This is the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Stop playing the dealership's game. Stop going into massive debt for rapidly depreciating electric vehicles mathematically designed to lose value the moment you drive off the lot. These highly refined hybrid vehicles are the ultimate financial loophole. They allow you to build wealth, slash your fuel costs, and avoid the repair shop entirely. Buy proven metal. Buy reliable hybrid systems, and remember to always protect your life savings by running the VIN through carclarity.online before you sign a single piece of paper. Hit the like button if you respect these unkillable machines, and subscribe to the channel so you never get ripped off at a dealership again. See you in the next one.